Everybody, Wilton over here. A client reached out and he was observing that he is showing his ads inside local search, right? Very often we call this the three pack. Right? Anytime you type in a location-based service, Google will typically show this map section, and very often with only three non-paid listing. And you are seeing more and more often that Google will be adding an ad in here. And the client's wondering how can he be showing up in here more often. And these are called local service or local pack ads, and also shows up whenever they're in a map view. Whenever you're in a map view, it shows maximum of 2 ads in here. And just a natural search view, they will see 1. And this is pretty random still, right? If I do another example here, looking for plumbers, you'll see again an ad here. And if I'm in a map view, I will see maximum 2 ads here. And currently there's really no way to influence and bid directly for the ad placement. Typically, the only way for you to be showing up in here is you first of all have to be doing the standard Google ads. Then with your location extension turned on, linking to your Google My Business account, then Google will show you ads on here amongst other competitors who are also advertising here. So the requirement again is you got to have a Google My Business page linked to your Google ad account with the extension turned on, location extension turned on. Then you'll have a chance Google just randomly rotates ads in here based on location, based on different things. But there's no way to influence doing higher bids to get your ads shown here. There's really no, like your standard Google ads, there's a lot of tweaks we can do based on quality score or a lot of things at rank. But so far, there's no direct way to influence this yet. Google basically rewards those who are loyal advertisers to have their ads also showing here. And they're not double paying, right? Their ads are up on here, they're also in here. They're not double paying, just Google is rewarding that advertiser to have their ads be shown on here. So make sure if you're location-based business, make sure you also have your Google My Business account linked to your Google Ad account, have the extension turned on, the location extension. That way your ads also show not only up on the regular search, but also be shown in the map results.